Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark on your videos using Clipchamp. If you want to add your own watermark on the videos, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Choose one video that you want to edit. To add the watermark, the first option is adding a text. Tap onto the text option right here. Now tap onto text again. Here you can type the name or the watermark that you want to add and simply tap onto the check mark. You can also adjust the watermark wherever you want to add it, like this. You can also change the font and color of the watermark. Now for the next option, you can directly add it from your gallery. Now tap onto the overlay option, which is right here. Then again tap onto the add overlay option. Now choose one photo that you want to add as a watermark. After choosing the photo, now you can adjust it and place it wherever you want to add it as a watermark, like this. And that's it. You have now successfully added a watermark on your video using Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.